Severe weather alert is continued and a tropical storm watch issued for Jamaica.
Teach them! Always make sure the message reach them!
A tropical storm watch is now in effect for Jamaica as the tropical depression number 9 continues to strengthen over the central Caribbean Sea while moving closer to Jamaica. A tropical storm watch means that tropical storm conditions pose a possible threat to Jamaica within the next 48 hours. At 4 p.m., the center of tropical depression number 9 was located near latitude 14.7 degrees north, longitude 71.3 degrees west, or about 690 kilometers or 430 miles east-southeast of Kingston, or 630 kilometers or 390 miles east-southeast of Morant Point in Jamaica. The tropical depression is moving towards the west-northwest near 24 kilometers or 15 miles per hour. A westward motion is expected to begin tonight and continue through Saturday night, followed by a turn towards the northwest and the north-northwest on Sunday. Maximum sustained winds are near 55 km per hour or 35 miles per hour, with higher gusts and some slow strengthening is forecast over the next day or so. The depression is expected to become a tropical storm by tonight. More significant intensification is forecast on Sunday. On the current forecast track, tropical depression number 9 will move over the waters south of Hispaniola on Saturday and move closer to Jamaica's southwestern coastline as a tropical storm on Saturday night and the Sunday before heading in the direction of the Cayman Islands. All small craft operators, including fishers from the Keys and Banks, should by now have completed all the necessary safety precautions and are advised to remain in safe harbor until all warning messages have been lifted and wind and sea conditions have returned to normal. Interests in Jamaica should expect weather conditions to gradually begin to deteriorate, with rainfall associated with the depression's outer bands on Saturday morning. Rainfall will increase during the day and is likely to be accompanied by gusty winds by Saturday night. The Meteorological Service continues to monitor the progress of this system, and all interests are encouraged to pay special attention to further releases.
Teach them! Hey, yo, hello! Send the message and make it reach them. It's teach them. Right here, Warlord representing.
Thank you for watching. Like the video before you go. Please subscribe if you haven't done so. And remember to share the video with your friends and family. And browse the channel for more quality content. Until next time, walk good, my friends.
Teach them!